Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting with the essentials. Check iOS updates and confirm microphone access in settings so dictation works. Once done, open the app you'll use. Notes or messages are fastest for testing. Tap any text field to bring up the keyboard and look for the small microphone icon near the spacebar. Tap it to begin. You'll see waveform feedback while iPhone converts speech to text. Speak clearly and at a steady pace. This improves accuracy and reduces editing later. Now you're in the flow. Speak natural sentences and say punctuation like comma or period if you want exact formatting. Otherwise, pause to insert punctuation later. Make short phrases and pause briefly so the system processes and shows text, which prevents long unprocessed blocks that are harder to edit. If iPhone suggests autocorrect options above the keyboard, tap the right word to accept it. Make quick inline edits by tapping the text, which keeps your dictation accurate without redoing the whole entry. To finish, tap the keyboard's done or the microphone again to stop dictation. Your text saves in the app automatically. Review and correct any misheard words using backspace or select and replace text. This is faster than redictating long sections. If accuracy is poor, make sure the microphone isn't blocked, check settings privacy microphone for permissions, and toggle settings general keyboard enable dictation off and on. If problems persist, restart the iPhone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.